Нажми на тормоза.
Finally! Taking your time as usual, huh? Alright, grab your gear, go to the platform, they're waiting for us. I'll meet you there. Hey, Artyom, don't forget anything, huh? Вот стоц перевертоться, бабушка здорова! Вот стоц перевертоться, кушает компот!
Who's that? Artyom, is that you? Is everything alright? Sorry, I'm busy right now.
Ah, stop it! I'm busy.
Pete, didn't I ask you to stay close? Looking for you all over the place ain't no fun at all.
God, how can this be? Tell me.
Standard method.
There is no price today. They are friends. Drunk again. Get the hell up, you slob.
Artyom, where's your gear? Look, go to the armory and get geared up.
You drink like there's no tomorrow. And there won't be
Artyom,
if you don't
get
get
to the armory.
So, what do you make of that new guy?
Hello, Artyom. You need some weapons? Okay, let's take a look. Submachine gun, 5.45 caliber, made in the armory. It's got poor accuracy and overheats like hell. That's why they call it a bastard gun.
Got ahead? Here's your gun and go, go, go. Never fear, it's the same old story.
Use short bursts, Artyom. Help yourself to some ammo, too. Here's a universal charger, to keep the battery powered. And a gas mask. Put it on if you crossed any radiation hot zones. Or, God help you, go up to the surface. Army issue first aid kits, just in case. Okay, you're supplied, my friend. Feel free to try out your weapon on my firing range. And you try not to stick out your head too much, okay?
Safety line. Again, by the book.
Fuck the book. Who ain't gonna find this? Is what I'm telling you. We start walking halfway down the spur of the road.
Artyom, you joining the
Come
caravan?
over, take a
Good
look.
luck then.
100 grams of tea costs 5 lives. A sausage, a McTrife, 15 lives. A nice leather jacket. It's your lucky day. It's on sale. Not 300, but just 250 human lives.
Yeah.
The market's daily turnover should be about equal to the lives of all the remaining metro inhabitants.
Hey, you! Come over here! No talking aloud! You heard me! And you, Artyom, should go.
I was put in charge
no
of radio
business here.
monitoring.
Prison is
Our
a
hope
place
was to
for
contact the
thieves.
government bunkers over the
Zoom,
hits.
not bad at least.
At first, they didn't directly target civilians. Nobody thought this would be a war.
Pork! Here, tender pork!
Hello, Artyom. Look, I'll give the book back to you tomorrow, okay? I haven't finished it yet.
Do you think one day we could go back up to the surface? I've never seen Moscow, just the old pictures.
Hi, how are you, Artyom?
Come in, son. You're ready to set off. Good. You've probably heard that our station is creating an alliance with Riga. We're sending them a couple of rail cars with humanitarian goods, some weapons, and some miscellaneous gear. That's the cargo you'll be looking after. It's not a very long trip, and it should not be too hard. Artyom, one thing before you go. I can see that you look up to Hunter, but a ranger's life is different than ours. They are reckless, even violent by nature. There's nothing to be gained by playing the hero, so stay clear of trouble. See the caravan to its destination and come home as soon as possible. Goodbye, my boy.
Hi, Artyom. How about the piglet? A mighty fine pet, I must say.
Back. My back.
One more. Give me some rest. Can't even get a break from
Artyom, here, move it!
He said it.
Привет! So you ready to move out? Are you ready? Well, let's go then. You take that seat, Artyom, and you, Eugene, take this one. Did anybody forget anything?
So, you get your gear? Let's go then.
Hey guys, going to Riga?
Yeah, we are.
Can I get a lift?
Sure, but no free rides. You'll have to pull the lever sometimes.
I can do that.
Let's go then. I'll ride it then. Good luck to everyone staying home, and to us too.
Boy,
Let's go.
good luck to us.
So, are you ready to finally be somewhere else?
Oh, Artyomka! Free at last, huh? Well, for as long as the ride takes anyway. Should be fun. More dangerous. Even better, right?
Damn, this my head hurts.
If you help push the lever, we'll get there sooner.
Okay, Eugene, you go help the men. We should move faster here. You watch the back, Artyom.
Sure, I'll help. That way we'll get to Riga in no time, right?
No, we should get out of here sooner. It's scary when they're around. And I pity them.
Them? Who them?
Can you hear them weep?
Whom do you mean, them? What are you talking about, huh? What the hell is going on, man? Boris? Boris!
Hey, what's happening to me?
My head! Artyom! What is it? Artyom! Over here!
If we are to survive, this threat must be eliminated, no matter the cost. Eliminate.
the hell's going on? Shit! Wake up, people! People! Wake up, for Christ's sake! Boris! Boris, wake up! Boris! Shit! It's no good! Ah! Oh, God! Ah! Shoot them! You shoot! I'll take the ladders! Come on! Come on! Artyom, take my shotgun! Here! Artyom! Artyom! Conserve the ammo, Artyom! Conserve the ammo! Help! Help! We're almost at the rock! Just a little bit left, come on!
What the hell just
Get
happened
on,
here?
look! We're there! Oh, God! Oh, God!
Nikolai! Come here, quick! Don't use a flamethrower! Please! Give him a chance! Let's kick some snout butts!
That was hot. I need a drink.